Understanding of common misconception. Research based, the misconceptions are not isolated incidents but rather normal outcomes of learning. Students may form misconceptions as a result of exposure to inaccurate information through faulty reasoning or by misinterpreting material they read, hear, or observe, as reported by Murphy and Alexander 2013. Misconceptions are minor glitches or errors in understanding that students may resolve on their own or that can be easily corrected as per the Sitchward, Sang, and Blair 2016. For example, a common misconception in the popular culture is that schizophrenia is characterized by multiple personalities. In introductory psychology, it is relatively straightforward to distinguish and contrast schizophrenia from dissociative identity disorder, which is characterized by multiple identities. In this case, students have a misplaced fact that can be aligned with the correct concept. Some misconceptions are significant barriers to new learning. These resemble intuitive theories that can lead students to misinterpret or reject new information. In physics, many students mistakenly believe moving objects, for example, a coin flipped upward or a thrown baseball, have a force acting on them that continues to propel their motion. Mikulowski, 1983, reported as this leads them to make incorrect predictions about the paths of moving objects. These types of misconceptions are based on erroneous underlying assumptions or beliefs. The fundamental attribution error is an example of a persistent misconception in which people tend to overestimate personalities and underestimate social situations as the cause of other people's behavior. When we see a person expressing anger, we tend to attribute the behavior to the person's character and overlook possible situational factors that might cause the anger. Please subscribe, like, comment.